Stay tuned to meet Advocate Capital client Brianne Thomas. Well, Brianne, can you tell our viewers how being an Advocate Capital client has impacted your law firm?
Having Advocate Capital as one of our tools to serve our clients has enabled us to move our cases more aggressively and faster. And ultimately, that helps our clients because when they walk in our door, it's because they've been injured on the job or injured in life, and they don't want to drag their case out. They need a resolution sooner rather than later. And through the help of Advocate Capital, we're able to move those cases as quickly as possible.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's been our experience really across the country. Well, some law firms say they're concerned about passing the borrowing costs through to the case, that their clients would object to that. What's your experience been?
We haven't had any clients object. We are very open and honest about using Advocate Capital as our case expense funding. We set that forth in our contract that they sign, and it really ultimately, for each individual client, doesn't end up being very much at the end of their case. So we're able to pass those costs along, and they understand that we're able to move their case so quickly because of this ability to fund their case.
Yeah, we've seen the same thing, that the incremental value of building the case up and getting it done more quickly greatly outweighs the borrowing cost impact. Well, lastly, some law firms say, well, it sounds interesting, Advocate Capital's case expense funding product, but I don't need the money. What would you say to someone like that?
If you're a law firm that strictly funds your own case expense, I think it's inevitable that you're going to have a year where there's going to be a bottleneck in moving your cases forward if you fund your own cases. And if that hasn't been a problem for you historically, not everybody can have a great year every single year. And that was our experience. We were having a real bottleneck in moving our cases because we were funding a lot of cases. And unfortunately, when you're growing your business, you're getting more clients, you're getting more cases, and ultimately you need more resources to fund those cases. So we were really busy and we had a lot of business, but moving the cases was the struggle. And Advocate Capital has enabled us to not have that bottleneck and move the cases as quickly as we could.
Awesome. Well, once again, thank you for being a customer of ours for so many years. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much. We appreciate the service.